Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy Farm. Today is Christmas and we've been smoking chicken. Also smoking and jerking chicken. This is how we do it. I build all this jerk center by myself. Not quite complete, but it's stick jerk center, not hood. Stick jerk center where you put in 2 pieces of wood and it's jerk all and cook all your food that you want. So follow me, ladies and gentlemen. So now we got in some jerk chicken and some beef, grilled beef. So if you look here, it's been smoking and it's been jerking at the same time. Here's the chicken right down here. Look at it. And if you look right down here, I got 3 pieces of oak wood. We use the oak wood right here. See? Use nothing beside the oak, and we use the black oak. I will use it and jerk. So this is the jerk beef right here, and down there we have the jerk chicken. So this is all of this. This is 2 levels. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartments to do jerking if you want to. You can do both jerking and you all can smoke your meat right here. You just hang it up on the rock and it smoke right here. If you come right here and look, you got as much space can hang any meat there and smoke it from the top. All I gotta do, pull out the rocks and then you can smoke it. So this is Wonder Boy Jerk Center, outdoor jerk center, you know. And then I cover it up and then braise it. Then the smoke and the heat cook the chicken and it cook the meat. So this is, and I only have 3 pieces of sticks in there not to jerk it. So it stay there and all the heat and the element, jerk it. When you jerk it, ladies and gentlemen, you got the smoke and you got the flavor and you got the hood, sticks combined, so that give your meat a good flavor. So therefore, and if you season it good, you got a beautiful combination. This is Wonder Boy Farm. I hope you people like, subscribes, touch that notification bell, and ask for more Wonder Boy. Follow me, ladies and gentlemen. This is my cat, Mia. She should follow me anywhere I go in the farm. She was homeless and I catch her on the street and bring her to the farm. And then she follow me anywhere I go. Happy as you can be. And healthy too. And I catch her when she was a baby. I bottle feed her. I went to my farm and I see 30 babies on the floor. But the mother didn't take this one, so I got to bottle feed this one out of 30. I name him Tarzan. And look at Tarzan. I'm going to show you how I bottle feed Tarzan. See how Tarzan get his bottle feed? So he love his bottle. And then I went to the farm today. And then I have a next baby. I'm gonna call that baby Winter. right around there you see winter. Right around there you see winter. Ladies and gentlemen, this is winter. I call her winter because in 18 years we got the baddest weather in Florida, and he born today. And I went to the pen, and the mother didn't take her, so I gotta bring her home. So I'm gonna call her winter. This is our little girl. See how here? Nice and healthy. And I got out of 30 babies, I only have to bottle feed 2. If you follow me on my journey, then you will see the 30 babies. Waiting for his bottle, I'm just fixing his milk. He's just like a baby. This is how he take his bottle. So I'll raise him until he start to eat grains. And the newborn baby, we will train him to bottle feed because she don't used to that one, but Hunter is used to it. So this is his meal for the evening. So now I'm gonna check on my jerk chicken and my beef. So they're working out. Real nice. You see, I like the texture and I like the flavor of that smoke with the heat. So when they come out, they're beautiful. Now we're checking out our chickens. Our beef. We don't need much fire to cook them. Just make they cook nice and gentle. And if you look, we got the food right here. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this chicken. Just look at the color. You see this? Ain't this beautiful? Look at it. And it's not ready. It's still cooking. And we only have 3 pieces of stick here. Look at it. And that's what cooking all these things with the heat. I wasn't kidding. I wasn't kidding at all. That's what we have cooking it. We don't have no charcoal cooking it. We just have these 3 pieces of stick cooking it. That's what makes it so unique. So when it's done, it's delicious.
Oh my God.
With the smoke, the flame, the flavor, and the seasoning. So I create this jerk center. I'm not quite finished with it yet, but I created it. It's still working on, but I fix a place where I can jerk and enjoy myself. But when I finish, I'm gonna cover it all. And if you look around here, I got a fireside where I can put a lot of sticks inside here to cook curry goat, curry chicken, stew peas, soup, you name it all. We got the stick right here where we can put it. So all this is fireside around here. So I make over there for the jerk, And over here to cook. This is my jerk. Before I build this one, but I prefer this one more than the jerk job. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so that is nice. Make it take his own time and cook nicely with that smoke and that heat and that jerk. I'm gonna have a wonderful Christmas. Me and my two beautiful kids. That's Lucky right there. And this is Gracie. Gracie's my daughter. She right behind the camera. Said hi to all these people.
Hello.
This is my photographing and this is my comic son, Lucky, because I get him when I'm much older. And Champagne, don't ask me, but they originate from Haiti, but we got a breed of Champagne in Jamaica and we're all related. When you go to Jamaica and ask about Champagne, we all related because we all come from one parish. And it's St. Mary, and our parents transfer to all different parish. St. Mary, Rockabessa, all over we are. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are signing off. So I want you to subscribe, like, touch that notification bell or button, and request Wonder Boy, because I got a lot of teaching for you people. You have a nice day. God bless, and I catch you on the next video.